At least no storm in history.
But as she told me, the family tensions were considerable.
24 inches so far.
As the excessive fog continued to impair Chauchet's judgment, he came to believe he was above human frailty and didn't need medication.
Get up!
I think this was his big mistake.
The most striking example of his megalomania was the way he pursued his one single-minded hobby. Every week.
She's listening. A bunch of people are calling to blame us because we're not doing school closings. We don't go to school. And I haven't got a child, I have a child in the private
Pretty
school.
cool,
and you got to understand, today is the day that I pay for the next
Missy?
year's tuition. And I'm not going to send him to school because it will...
Why'd you get in front of the snow so it'd be warmer?
Check for him, and I want to put off paying the...
I do have one,
as long as I can.
I do have one closing though that's worth mentioning. The U of M is closed.
Is it?
The only people that need to show up is the essential employees.
Unless your livelihood just, is hanging in the balance.
Nah. And one more thing.
Are you in good with your employers? I mean, could you call in sick or...
Oh, come on in.
Government job.
Oh, well, hell. There's always work at the post
Yeah.
office. You work for the
Let's go have
government,
breakfast.
Get your ass to work.
More important than the neighborhood hardware store. It's the place where sandwiches are really profitable. And the original solid is the time for flushed out. None of those people runs deep in the heartland. For more than 60 years.
It's tough to melt after you put 20 inches of snow on
Yeah,
it.
that's true. I'm going to go home and build a snowman this afternoon, I think. Thanks, Chris. Storm continues, and that means tough sledding around the Twin Cities area. Road conditions are not good. Good morning, Art Reader.
Good morning, Lizzie. So we're not doing too bad as far as accidents, but they're out there. We've got a few of them. Blocking the ramp from westbound crosstown to Xerxes Avenue. We're also finding that Interstate 94 to go westbound on Snelling Avenue is blocked with an accident. Also westbound 494, the ramp to go southbound Highway 100 partially blocked with an accident, and the ramp from Lexington Avenue to eastbound Interstate 94 is blocked with an accident. What we're finding are several spin-outs, single car spin-outs, but they end up...
Got warm clothes here for you if you want.